be oh so glad that I met ya. Ow! Step on.
Jinu, no.
I'm sorry for everything.
No, I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back. And now, I give it to you.
Just my type. Oh well. No more ads! This is what it sounds like. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me. Darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jacket and just meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like. Truth after all this time. Our voices all combined. When darkness meets the light. This is what it sounds like. We love you, Huntrix! I love my girls.
Do my highlight, make me shine so bright in the moonlight. Step 2, silhouette tight. Baby, even my shadow looks good, right? Step 3, with a hair right. Make you look my way with your hard eyes. Step 4, get you on the floor. Make you say more, more, more. Then it's
This shit that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. And my band bought that money. Break it down.